She'll make 0.5 beyond the speed of light. She may not look like much, but she's got it where it counts, kid. I've added some special modifications myself. Welcome back, everyone. And in this episode, I'm going to go through all of the issues just to make sure that I've got everything accounted for. And we're going to do this through the online part, and it just shows the instructions. So I just want to make sure that I've got all the pieces done. This should be pretty quick, especially in the beginning. And it's kind of like a bit of a review of all the things that we've done. So here we've done the cockpit stuff, started with the cockpit stuff, and then we're going to go to stage 2, which is issue 2, and it shows what we got. We're putting together some framework, and we did the DeAgostini table, some more framework. Basically putting framework together, so that's we don't have to worry about. Oh, here we go. Fix the hull plating, or fitting the hull plating. Take the sprue from 19 and clip off the last module part, which is a plant-on detail for this panel. All right. And that is for it'll be this top panel here. No, that's a bottom panel. So we'll take note of that. I will have to go check that out. Matter of fact, I will check right now. Good news, it was added. All right, issue 25. Okay. 79. More plant-on pieces. We're going to put these side pieces together, and those go on the inside of the mandibles. All right. This is the part right here. Not exactly, but it's very similar to this part that I'm looking at right now in my hot little hand. Looks very similar to number 7. So let's have a look. Right there. Okay. Well, this part is not that part because mine is much taller. But that part could be. Is that the part right there? Glue 8 into the slot. Number 8. Which one's number 8? Uh, 8. Right there. That's the piece I'm looking for. Okay. So I need to go look to see if this is on the mandible. Well, that part was not on the mandible. How do you like that? That's why we come back and double check things. So that part there needs to get installed. I know exactly where it goes, so I will be able to get that done. Let's continue on. And the last part. We have all these pieces. These are the last sections to put on the rear. And all these other parts. So we got clear to the very end. All the way down to here. And that part right there is missing in action. I have no idea where it is, but it's gone. And I do not yet have the battery for it. But that is everything. The good thing is I found where that one part was. I've already begun painting it, so I will get that painted and installed, and then we will proceed with the next phase of painting the entire thing. So I will do the mandibles first, and then once I get the mandibles done, I'll probably work on the bottom, getting the detail painting done there, and then the top. So it seems like a pretty good sequence to do that stuff in. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and this will be issue 60, and we're now in bonus time. So thanks, everybody, and may the force be with you always.